Hello, welcome to This Week at EPL. I am Andrew.
And I am Hannah.
And today it is February 14th, 2022.
Valentine's Day.
It is.
Yes.
Don't forget. Don't forget. If you need to get something, don't forget. Anyway, this is what's going on this week at EPL. We have just had our last day yesterday of Read to Explore winter endeavors. So that yesterday was the last day to enter for that. If you enter to win, make sure to watch the enter to win one of the grand prizes. Make sure you watch the form of communication that you gave to us, whether it was a phone number or an email. Those were the two, right?
Yeah.
Watch those places. We'll contact the winners by whatever method they submitted in their entry form.
Yeah. So this week for weekly highlights, we have our item connection. So this is part of our February Valentine's Day display. If you're looking for the perfect match, look no further than Eckhart Public Library's personalized matchmaking service.
So going to library services from our webpage, you can find it right here with a big pink heart for now.
Yeah, and you click on the link there and it'll take you to a questionnaire you fill out.
And it's pretty straightforward. And I had asked when I was making up the notes for the show notes, I was like, how many items do they get? I don't know how this works. And then I needed to actually go to the form myself to figure this out.
Oh, yeah. It asks how many items you want, so you can choose how many you would like.
Yeah, so like, what do you already like? So what are your favorite books, authors, or your series? What are some of the favorite movies, TV shows, genres, hobbies, interests, skills? What do you like, basically? What are books, authors, genres, movies, TVs that you do not like? So that's an important thing that people can let us know. And then what kind of things do they want? There are a lot of things here.
We have a lot of things. Yeah, and then based on your answers, a staff member from EPL will pick out your item or items for you, and then you will be notified when your date or your perfect match is ready for pickup, and then you come and pick it up.
Yeah,
the main desk.
Yeah, you may have seen, I think it's Zach's picture that's on our Facebook page. It's pinned right now.
Yes.
So if you go to that, you can see it there. Since I haven't. Good, it works. I really want to check the sound a little bit. By the way, yes, if anybody ever wants to comment, ask any questions, we can always answer it here. We try to be kind of, we won't mention your name generally. Unless somebody obviously comes in and says, "Hey, I love you," whatever. Anyway, so there are a lot of things. This is a quite long form, but it doesn't take all that long to fill out because it's just what you like and what you don't like. Yeah, so it's not like you're not doing like a survey, really.
No, it's just like multiple choice. You just click, check mark the answers.
Choose your favorite quote. I love this. Yeah, cool. Yes, and then so those are, with that, we will select items that would be good for you, put them on hold. That would be kind of fun. I should do that.
Yeah, I know. I want to do it too. Sounds fun.
Let's see here. What else do we have here? I do want to mention as well, if you have been watching the Star or one of our live streams last week, we had mentioned the beginning of oral history interviews. And actually, for a little bit more on that, we're going to go to Darcy.
Have you ever had a really great conversation? I mean, something that really changed the way you thought about something. Is there something you've always wanted to get written down, saved, or honored about a loved one? Memories can be fleeting, and you might not always remember what Granddad said about growing up, or what your sister remembers about your childhood together. I'm Darcy at Eckhart Public Library, and together with the Williner Genealogy Center, we'd like to help you record these memories and conversations. We want to invite you to come in with a loved one, either a family member or a friend, and have a conversation about anything. We do have a list of starter questions, but it's your choice. You can record in private. We'll record the audio only and give you a copy of it on a CD or flash drive. We won't keep your conversations. To schedule a time, visit our website at www.epl.lib.in.us or call 260-925-2414, extension 120. We'll help you pick some questions and schedule a time to bring your loved one in for a session. We hope we can help you save these important conversations soon.
Yeah, so we're really excited to have that as a service that we can give.
Yeah, I think it's a great idea.
It was kind of inspired by the thing I like to tell people about is StoryCorps. What StoryCorps is basically the same kind of thing. It is a way to record people's memories about things. It can be specific things. It can be just in general. The video there was myself talking with my dad, so it's kind of nice to get him talking about things, and then sometimes he brings up things that, oh, I didn't know that happened.
Yeah, about their own life that you might not know.
Yeah. But again, that was seen in the Star. I think it was on just today. At least we saw it online today. Let's see. We're gonna go to the Take and Makes.
Yeah, so this week for our children's Take and Make project, they will be making their very own love bug.
Yeah. Let's see here. Let's see. So if you ever need to see what the topic is, you can always go to our calendar. Now those are going to be changing a little bit in the coming. So once March comes, I think we're going to have once a month kits. So those should be in whenever you look. So let's look at children's Take and Make kits. So yeah, just kind of a nice simple explanation here, and that should be fun.
Yeah, I think there's a picture of what the love bug will look like on our Facebook page. It's pretty cute.
Cool. And then the adult Take and Make are yarn flower bouquets. So those are the next to last one here for the month. And I actually saw some of those kind of being put together. So that should be pretty cool. It's a kind of a nice, fun little way to make a bouquet or something that you can use.
Yeah, that's actually fun for Valentine's Day. You can give someone a bouquet or make it together.
Yeah.
And then for this week, we have online story time tomorrow with Karen. She's going to be celebrating love and Valentine's Day.
Of course. Yep.
Yes.
They always the videos do always go live. Go on. It's tough to say. They go live on YouTube. They're not live, but they are available for viewing on YouTube. Not long after we are live on Facebook. So if you want to kind of read along with us, Facebook is the place to do that at 10:45 on Tuesdays.
Yep. And then on Facebook, it goes into a playlist, so the videos are always there for viewing afterwards if you can't come to the 10:45 showing.
Cool. Can people binge watch story times?
Absolutely.
Yeah, just like set on like YouTube or whatever, probably YouTube, and just like give the phone to the kid.
Yeah. Just keep them busy for a while.
Yeah.
And you can binge watch these shows too. We have a playlist on Facebook, and Chinese American cooking too.
Yeah.
If you want to watch cooking.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. We wrapped up the last part because that was part of Read to Explore Winter Endeavors, kind of following off the Olympics that are in, or sorry, the Winter Games that are in Beijing, I think it is.
Yeah.
And kind of using some Americanized recipes. But check those out too. They're going to be on there indefinitely.
Yes, probably forever.
Yeah. Tuesday as well. So after story time, about 7 hours later, if you're done with story time, you can get online and play some adult D&D with us. So adult age D&D. 6:30 to 8:30. We use Discord, the Discord voice and chat server, as well as Roll20. It's a web-based kind of map program to play. If you're interested in either just listening along or playing yourself, you can email us at gaming@epl.lib.in.us. Let me see if that's on here. I'm not sure if that's on here or not. We should get that on there. It is on there.
It is, yeah.
It is. Awesome. Cool. And I do want to point out that we will be meeting in person again on March 1st. We'll be picking up our previous campaign that we had been working on. They're, I think, 6th level at that point. So, and then new players are always welcome. We do have many people who are eager to help out, eager to help people learn. You don't need to be a pro at it. No experience is necessary.
Yeah, that'll be fun. That's exciting. Getting back into person.
Yeah. Similarly.
Yes, on Wednesday we have Classic City Readers. So they will be meeting on February 16th to discuss The Scent Keeper by Erica Bauermeister?
Yeah, sounds good.
At Byler Lane Winery. And then the next 3 meetings will be at Eckhart Public Library, the main building. So that's exciting too. Starting to get our programs back into person is good.
Yeah. March is a is a good
It
month
is.
for that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
hopefully it's getting
A little
warmer.
warmer, yeah.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to Wednesday, actually. So if you're listening to this on Wednesday, hopefully the weather's nice. It's supposed to rain,
Oh.
as I saw. But still be like 50 degrees. So if you're there in the future, let us know. Thursday, this will be another live stream. This will be virtual winter trivia. And I think Darcy and I believe Zach as well are going to be going live to test your knowledge of all things wintry. It's a team and family event, so we're looking to have multiple people. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be using I don't know if there's an app, but you can go to the website for Kahoot, follow the link that we're going to have on screen, and then when you are there, it'll actually give you options. It's like a multiple choice quiz thing where you can play along. So somebody will be wanting to watch the stream on their phone or their computer.
Through Facebook.
Yeah.
So the live stream will be on Facebook, and then you use another phone or computer to log on to Kahoot.
Yeah.
And answer the questions.
You could technically be on the same phone and turn off the stream and have the options open, but it doesn't tell you the actual question when you have all the the possible answers.
Yeah.
So you'll want to have a way to be able to see the stream and then to answer by going to the website.
Yeah, so that'll definitely be easier if you have a team.
Yep.
Or do it with your family.
But I'm excited for that. That should be pretty cool. There is a reward, an award. The person who most answers the most gets something.
Yeah.
It's a $15 gift card to Ninth Street Brew Coffee House for some hot drinks or cold drinks, probably.
Yeah. I would get a cold drink.
Yeah. So have you had anything fun going on the last week?
Yeah,
weekend?
on Friday night I went to see the Comets hockey game against the Cyclones. We won.
Hey, cool. Well, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Have you been to many hockey games there?
Yeah, I love going to hockey games.
Nice.
It's a really fun thing to do in the winter.
It's been a while since I've been there.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yep. I didn't go to that, but we did have. I want to mention we did have, or not we, but there was the Bootleggers Ball on Saturday, I think it was.
Yeah, at the museum.
Yep. We had a presence there. I think there was a smart TV, and then there were some things that we had laid out there that kind of told a little bit of a story of 1922.
Yeah, about the Dillinger boys.
Yep.
The gang.
And then I think I got to. Well, I got to make a fun little video kind of highlighting what was going on as well. So if you saw that, thank you for standing there through the 5 minutes. But try to make it a fun 5 minutes for you. So, and I think that's all for today.
Yeah, that's all we have this week.
Hopefully you have a good Valentine's Day and otherwise you have a good February 14th. And then the rest of your week too.
Yeah.
We will see you next week. See
ya. Bye.